What's up guys, welcome back to another video. To all my return subscribers guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel guys, don't be afraid to become a part of the family. Just click that red button, I would appreciate it too. So guys, today I'm doing string bean and carrot punch. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here I have my string bean, cucumber, carrot, my pear, lemon and ginger. Now I wash and cut up my pear, string bean, lemon, cucumber, carrot and ginger. And I will also be using pine juice. So guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Tell a friend to tell a friend, leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, share me out if you can. So now I had my string bean, my cucumber, carrot, my lemon, my ginger, to the pine juice. So guys, now I'm going to blend these together. Now let the blender do its tricks guys. Now I'm blending my juice. So now my juice is finished blending, rich, healthy, thick and refreshing. So bye guys, see you in my next video.